Inside the wagon. Please make sure that you stay seated until the wagon comes to a complete stop, as you are on a bumpy farm road. We hope that you have a wonderful ride while touring the spectacular and coordinated displays of natural color and beauty anywhere in the world. We are in bloom for approximately 10 weeks each year, from March through early May. The Flowerfields is a working farm, and we dedicate over 50 acres to growing miraculous flowers for production. Of cut flowers, farmers estimate that each plant yields an average of 10 blooms, or 2 million blossoms per acre. At the fields, the Flowerfields is one of the few working farms that invites guests to enter and enjoy the flowers in bloom, making it a unique experience. An added advantage of the relentless flower, three long-standing flower families, a cultural emblem of Carlsbad, and has been a unique growing area for more than 100 years. Berries and coffee. And we also have an olive grove that we harvest to produce olive oil, and a greenhouse where we grow medium orchids for sale to local nurseries. The flowers aren't all we have to offer. We carefully plant and cultivate several gardens and attractions for your enjoyment. This garden features 9 vignettes appropriate for small spaces or for those looking for earth-friendly practice, ease of growth, temperature tolerance, large flower size, and color. The Flowerfields and Medium Orchids project was funded through the City of Carlsbad's Agriculture on the Left and Downhill. Santa's Playground. Children and adults will delight in Santa's Playground, our home to whimsical playhouses and gigantic mushrooms that were part of Santa's village started growing progress and introduced his son Henry to the art of seeding and cultivating pretty but not yet popular flowers. Originally the flowers belonged to another longtime flower growing family that grew the growing of the beautiful over the years. The stage was set for the enduring preservation and promotion of this enchanting cultural emblem of Carlsbad. Hence the Flowerfields at Carlsbad branch was born, regional tourist attraction. Thank you for joining us at the Flowerfields. Please stay seated until the wagon comes to a complete stop. We invite you to spend more time in all of the areas we discovered